How to buy Memhash token. So guys, before to start this video is not financial advice. So guys, do your own research before investing. Actually guys, this is token will be listed on Mix platform and you will be listed as soon. So guys, time to be confirmed and community exclusive. This is the details guys. This is on Mix, as you can see here, will be listed on this withdraw. Wait guys, this is the article trading on 28 on this month, and the withdraw is on the one of the third month. So guys, you can purchase or you can buy this token, as you can see here, on Mix platform, and just wait and stay tuned. This is, I say this all this video guys, just wait you on this 28 date and you will be to buy this token on this date. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible. Stay tuned.